Good job, man. Man, I was up here. Just took my kids to school. As the ugly ass president day. And man, I'm up here riding. I'm thinking, damn, rain like a motherfucker. You know what? As you can see, it rain like a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay. I said, damn, let me look on the phone and see how long it'll be raining. You know what I'm saying? See, I go look at my phone, whoop up, bam. It's supposed to be raining all motherfucking day, you understand? Well, I sat here got to thinking, like, we just look on the phone, dog, and see what time it gonna rain. You know that all this when it gonna rain, how long it gonna be rain, how much rain. You know what I'm saying? If some sound gonna come with it. Like damn. Think about this shit. How the fuck these folks know this shit? So you mean tell me you put some shit in the sky and talk to God then? Think about it. You put some shit in the sky and see when it gonna rain. How you get that information? Who is you getting the thing I'm saying? Who is you getting the information from, man? That's what I really want to figure out, you know what I mean? Shit, I'm sitting there thinking though, you know. I be wondering like a motherfucker. Like for real though, like where the information coming from, you know? It's a source, goddamn. What is that motherfucking source? And if they got a goddamn explanation, an answer for that motherfucker, that bitch wrong. It's some bullshit. Shit fucked up out here, man. I'm just goddamn. Man, I really wanna know. But there's something to think about, man. If they say God is the one make it rain and all this. So you really talk to God. You know what I'm saying? Through a satellite. But you pray. But they tell you, pray talk to God. These folks know. The other people, they talking to God through a satellite. Telling you when they go, how much snow you gonna get. And all that. When a tsunami hit, you know what I'm talking about? A tornado over here. Damn, I didn't know that. Way over there. Nah, man, you talking to somebody else, dog. Damn, that shit crazy. I don't know. It's like my nigga Curtis Blow, man. Nigga said on that part 2, goddamn it, it's snowing the blood. I don't know no more.